Looking for the best truck auto retractable tonneau cover? In today's video, we'll dive into the top-rated options that offer style, security, and durability for your truck bed. Whether you're after a sleek design, easy installation, or enhanced protection from the elements, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we break down the features, pros, and cons of each to help you make the right choice. Check the description for direct links to each product. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, this rough country retractable cover is designed specifically for 2020-2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD and GMC Sierra 2500 HD trucks with 6x9 in beds. Actually, what catches your attention first is the removable canister design that gives you complete bed access when you need maximum cargo capacity. The tension spring system allows the cover to retract smoothly in seconds, and you'll appreciate the no-drill installation that won't permanently modify your truck. Because it uses a clamp-in design with powder-coated aluminum rails, setup is straightforward with just a Phillips screwdriver needed. If you're concerned about visibility, this cover maintains your rear view completely. The sleek matte finish does add a nice touch to your truck's appearance, and the full-width handle lets you operate it from either side of the bed. You know what's convenient? The included pull strap makes accessing your cargo effortless from any position. Here's the thing about build quality. The aluminum construction feels solid, and Rough Country backs it with a 5-year limited warranty, which shows confidence in their product. Things to consider. The cover is limited to specific truck models, so compatibility is narrow. Some users mention the canister takes up space when fully retracted, and at this price point, you might expect slightly more premium materials. Installation, while drill-free, still requires careful alignment for proper fitment. Moving to number 4, the SADELOOS cover fits 2014-2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks with 5x8 beds. What makes this one interesting is the combination lock system. No more fumbling with keys or worrying about losing them. The aluminum slat construction comes with a matte double-layer black powder coating, and it's surrounded by waterproof rubber seals with foam padding. This setup does provide solid protection against rain, snow, dirt, and UV rays. You don't have to worry about water damage since it includes an integrated water management system that keeps things nearly leak-proof when installed correctly. And here's where it gets practical. The T-slot rail system on top allows you to add other truck bed accessories, expanding functionality beyond just a cover. The installation process takes 30 to 60 minutes with 2 people, and you can adjust height and positioning with screws for a custom fit. Actually, the hovering position feature is quite handy. You can stop the cover partway and secure it there. The pull rope system makes closing it simple from any angle. Things to consider. Customer feedback reveals mixed experiences with the lock mechanism. Some report latch issues that don't reset completely. The combination lock, while keyless, might be problematic in cold weather. Installation definitely requires 2 people, which isn't always convenient. The aluminum, while durable, can show scratches more easily than some other finishes. At number 3, this ONINE electric cover is custom fit for 2015-2025 Ford F-150 trucks with 5.5-foot short beds. The standout feature here is the wireless key fob operation. You can open and close it remotely, and the electromagnetic brake locks it at any position along the rail. Because it's electric, convenience is the main selling point. The all-aluminum construction has a quality matte black powder coating for scratch and UV protection, achieving IP56 waterproof and dustproof rating. If you need lighting, the pre-installed cargo LED light system has 3 brightness levels and automatically shuts off after 20 minutes to protect your battery. You know what's smart about the design? It uses heavy-duty aluminum slats without spring mechanisms, which reduces failure points and increases reliability. The no-drilling installation keeps your truck bed intact, though professional installation is recommended due to the electrical components. Keep in mind that remote operation means you're dependent on the key fob working properly. And the LED lighting system, while useful, adds complexity that could potentially fail over time. Things to consider. The electric system introduces more potential failure points compared to manual covers. Battery drain is possible if the system malfunctions. Some customers report confusing installation instructions, making professional installation almost necessary. The key fob range might be limited, and replacement parts for electronic components could be expensive down the road. Coming in at number 2, the Bestwyll electric cover fits 2015-2025 Ford F-150 trucks with 6.5-foot beds, including Raptor and Lightning models. This one doesn't interfere with automatic tailgate functions, which is crucial for newer F-150 owners. The electric remote operation provides custom locking capabilities, so you can stop and secure the cover at various positions to accommodate different cargo sizes. Because it features both remote control and mechanical key lock options, you have backup security methods. The strong aluminum slats with matte double-layer textured powder coating, combined with an integrated water management system, effectively keep weather and debris out. Actually, what sets this apart is the Trax rail system compatibility. You can use T-slot accessories from major brands like Rhino Rack, Yakima, and Thule to expand your hauling capacity. Installation takes 50 to 70 minutes using clamp-on rails without special tools, though the electric components require careful handling. And here's what's reassuring. Bestwyll has 11 years of manufacturing experience and serves as an OEM supplier for international truck brands, suggesting solid build quality and support. If you're looking for versatility with the rail system and reliable electric operation, this cover delivers on both fronts. Things to consider. The electric system increases complexity and potential repair costs. The Trax rail accessories require separate T-screw purchases, adding to overall cost. Some users might find the dual-layer coating prone to showing fingerprints and scratches. The 50 to 70-minute installation time is longer than manual alternatives, and any electrical issues could disable the entire system. And our number 1 choice is the Syneticusa AR automatic cover, specifically engineered for 2016-2025 Toyota Tacoma 6-foot beds. This is our top pick for the best truck auto retractable tonneau cover because it combines automatic functionality with exceptional build quality and practical features. The automatic locking system sets it apart. It provides superior security with an innovative mechanism that engages without manual intervention. Because it features integrated dust and waterproof seals, your cargo stays clean and dry, though proper drainage tube installation is essential for optimal water management. You know what's impressive? The heavy-duty aluminum construction supports up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight, making it one of the strongest covers available. The T-slot side rails allow additional cargo solutions, expanding functionality beyond basic coverage. And the low-profile design maintains your truck's sleek appearance while providing UV protection for long-term durability. The effortless retractable function gives you quick bed access when needed, combining protection with convenience perfectly. Actually, what makes this our top choice is the balance of automatic operation, robust construction, and practical weight capacity that most competitors can't match. Things to consider. It's limited to Toyota Tacoma models only, restricting compatibility. The automatic system, while convenient, could be more complex to repair if issues arise. Some customers report unclear installation instructions, potentially requiring professional help. The 500-pound weight limit, while impressive, assumes perfect weight distribution, which isn't always practical in real-world use. That wraps up our top 5 retractable tonneau covers. Each offers unique benefits for different truck models and needs. Hit that like button if this helped you choose. Subscribe for more truck accessory reviews.